Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Sabir Hussain from the mechanical branch. My roll number is 48. So I am explaining the topic energy resources. So from the subject energy science and engineering. So first we will know the what is energy resources. Energy resources is something that can produce heat, power life, move object or produce electricity. So energy resources can be defined as a five types. First, based on usability, based on traditional use, based on long-term availability, based on commercial application, and based on origin. So first, based on usability of energy. Based on usability of energy can be defined as three types: primary, intermediate, and second. First, primary resources. Primary resources, sources available in nature in raw form, is known as a primary. So resources available in nature in raw form is primary. Example: fossil fuel, coal, gas, uranium, hydroenergy. This also known as the raw energy resources. This also known as raw energy resources. Second is intermediate resources. Intermediate resources. This is obtained from the primary energy resources by one or more steps of a transformation. It is also used in vehicle of energy also. So it is also used in vehicle of energy. Third one is the secondary resources. Secondary resources, a form of energy which is finally supplied to consume for utilization. Which is the form of energy which is finally supplied to consume for utilization. Example: electrical energy, thermal energy. Some form of energy may be defined as a both intermediate as well as secondary sources. Second one is based on traditional use. Based on traditional use. Based on traditional use is also in a two parts. First is conventional. Second one is non conventional. Conventional. Conventional is known as which have been traditionally used energy resources which have been energy resources which have been traditionally used for many decades. Example we can give: fossil fuel, nuclear, etc. Second one is non-conventional. Non-conventional energy resources which are considered for large scale and renewable. Unconventional is what? Energy resources which are considered for large scale and renewable. Example we can give the solar, wind and biomass, etc. Now we will discuss about the third one, which is based on long-term availability. Based on long-term availability. Based on long-term availability also defined as in a two parts. First is renewable resources, non-renewable resources. And second one is renewable resources. So non-renewable resources which are finite and do not get replenished. Resources which are finite and do not get replenished. After their consumption also. After their consumption also. Example we can give fossil fuel and uranium. Second one, renewable resources. Renewable resources which are renewed by nature again and again, their supply are not affected by the rate of their consumption. So we can give the example solar, wind, biomass, oceans, etc. So we will discuss the three parts of the energy resources based on usability, based on traditional use, based on long-term availability. So we will discuss about the based on commercial application. Fourth part is based on commercial fourth part of the energy resources is commercial application. Commercial applications, which is also defined as the commercial energy resources, commercial activities, non-commercial, etc. So based on we will discuss about 2 points now. This first commercial resources. Second, I will discuss the commercial activities. First, commercial energy resources. The secondary usable energy form such as electricity, petrol and the diesel are essential for the commercial activities. What a commercial energy resources is? A secondary usable energy form such as electricity, petrol and diesel are essential for commercial activity, etc. The secondary usable energy form such as electricity, petrol and diesel. Second part is commercial activities. The economy of a country depends on its ability to count natural raw energy into the commercial energy. What is commercial activity is the economy of a country depends upon its ability depends ability to the natural raw energy. So commercial energy resources is non-commercial energy resources are also there. Second part is non-commercial energy resources. Non-commercial energy resources. Non-commercial resources is the energy derived from the nature and used directly without passing through commercial outlet. So the energy derived from nature and used directly without passing through commercial outlet. Example we can give wood, animal dung, cake, etc. So we will discover the four parts. Now the final fifth part is based on origin. The last one is based on based on origin. Here we are having the list of the based on is fossil fuel energy. Second one is biomass energy. Third one nuclear energy. Fourth one is geothermal energy. Fifth is hydro energy. Having the 8 to 9 types of a based of origin. These are types. These are of based on origin only. Solar energy also there. Ocean thermal energy, etc. So we will discover about the energy resources, which is having the five parts: based on usability, based on traditional use, based on long-term availability, based on commercial application, based on origin. We will discuss the based on usability, having three types: primary, intermediate, and secondary. Second is based on traditional use, which is the conventional and non-conventional, and the third one is based on long-term availability, which is non-renewable resources and renewable resources. With an example we can give. And fourth is based on commercial application, commercial energy resources, commercial activities, and non-commercial energy resources. And fifth and last is based on origin. We will discuss based on origin is these types. So thanks for